Subi and welcome to my channel NFT Buddy. Did you notice where I am today? Shall we study here? No, today we are going to be doing a fun recipe. It's our favorite dish. Guess what it is? Yes, it's popcorn. So friends, before we begin this recipe, please use your parents' guidance. Today I'm going to be using this normal stove. But if you have an induction stove at home, make sure you use it. Now let us look at the ingredients for this recipe. We need 1/3 cup of corn kernels, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of cold pressed groundnut oil. I am using groundnut oil over here, but you can use any oil you like, but make sure you use cold pressed oils, and butter because we are making butter popcorn. So friends, today I am using this corn kernels. This is a really good quality brand. If you want to buy this brand, I'll leave the link in the description box below. And if you're wondering how I measured these, I used this measuring cups to do it. And even I'll leave the link in the description box below for cooking these. Now let's move on to the cooking part. But before we get cooking, please make sure you get the guidance of an adult to do it. So friends, today I'm using this heavy bottom pressure cooker with its lid without the whistle. And I'm using my parents' help to switch on the stove. Now as you can see, the stove is on and the cooker is getting heated. Now let's start adding the ingredients. First, let us add the oil. And then the butter. And the salt. And now let's add the salt and the turmeric. Then stir it. And now let us add the corn kernels and stir it. And stir it for a while. And when you notice a small popping, close it with the lid. So friends, can you see that our popcorn is ready? Now let's transfer this popcorn into the bowl. So friends, now the popcorn is ready, but we have no one to taste it. So let me welcome my brother Pranav to taste it. Hi Pranav. Hi. Are you ready to taste the popcorn? Yes. Okay. Here you go. I'm super too bad. Guys, did you listen what Pranav said? He was like yummy yummy, super super. So make sure you also try this recipe at home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated to make more such fun videos. Till then, let's play, explore, learn and grow together. Bye bye, tata. Bye. Make sure you try this recipe.